Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to log photos and videos in Samsung A16. If you are using Samsung A16 and you want to log your photos and videos, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your gallery and here just select the photos and videos you want to log. Just select them and then select three dots in the bottom left, bottom right corner, and here you can see there is no any option to lock them. So you just have to install third party app. Just open your Play Store, go for search, and just search for gallery lock here. And then open this app. I'm going to install this. Just tap on install and it will be installed in your phone. Here you can easily lock your photos and videos. You just have to wait for installation and then we'll get a simple setup. Just wait for it. When the download has been completed, just tap on open to open the app, and here you just have to wait for its opening or loading and then we'll get a simple setup. Just wait for it. Here select next and then select let's start. And here you just have to create a simple password which you want, then select done. And here just select allow to send notification, then select add new files, then select import, grant permission, then allow, then go back, select all, and here select album, and then mark the videos or photos which you want, then select import. So here you can easily lock your photos. And now go back and here's the video section, just tap on it. You can easily add your videos and music files and notes. You can easily hide your photos, videos, music, files, and notes in this app. So that's how you can easily lock your photos, videos in Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.